Plant FAQs. Aeonium pink witch. Aeonium pink witch. Unveiling the beauty of this variegated succulent. Hi everyone, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of succulents and focusing on a true showstopper, the Aeonium pink witch. This beauty boasts a stunning combination of colors and a unique form, making it a coveted addition to any succulent collection. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, this FAQ will equip you with all the essential knowledge to care for your Aeonium pink witch and witness it thrive. See more 91 species in genus Aeonium at monsteraholic.com. What is an Aeonium pink witch? The Aeonium pink witch is a captivating succulent, a product of selective breeding between Aeonium velayer plants. This breeding process resulted in a form rarely encountered in nature, offering a visual feast for plant enthusiasts. Key characteristics. Variegated leaves. The magic lies in the foliage. The pink witch flaunts a mesmerizing blend of pink, green, and white hues. Imagine spoon-shaped leaves, each a canvas painted with these delightful colors. Soft tips. The leaf tips add a touch of softness, further enhancing the pink witch's delicate charm. Slight ciliate margins. Take a closer look, and you might notice fine hair-like fringes on the leaf margins, adding a subtle textural detail. How does the pink witch differ from other Aeoniums? The world of Aeoniums is vast, but the pink witch stands out in a couple of ways. Variegation. Compared to most Aeoniums, the pink witch's striking variegation sets it apart. The interplay of pink, green, and white is a unique characteristic. Growth habit. The pink witch tends to develop a bushier, more compact form compared to some Aeoniums that grow taller with single rosettes. Aeonium pink witch versus Aeonium kiwi, a succulent showdown. The Aeonium kiwi is another popular succulent with a touch of pink. Let's see how they compare. Coloration. The pink witch boasts a wider range of colors, including green, white, and a more prominent pink. The kiwi leans towards a predominantly green base with a subtle pink blush. Leaf shape. Both have spoon-shaped leaves, but the pink witch's leaves are slightly more elongated and have softer tips. Growth habit. The pink witch forms a bushier structure with multiple rosettes, while the kiwi typically grows taller with a single rosette. Ultimately, the choice depends on your preference. The pink witch offers a vibrant explosion of color, while the kiwi provides a more subtle elegance. How to care for Aeonium pink witch. Bringing a pink witch home? Here's how to ensure it flourishes. Light. These sun worshippers crave bright, indirect sunlight. South-facing windows are ideal in the northern hemisphere, while north-facing ones work best in the southern hemisphere. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Succulents are drought-tolerant, so underwatering is preferable to overwatering. Water deeply when the soil feels completely dry to the touch. Allow excess water to drain freely. Soil. Opt for well-draining succulent or cactus mix. You can even create your own by combining potting mix with perlite or sand for increased drainage. Potting. Choose a pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. A terracotta pot allows for better airflow and evaporation. Temperature. The pink witch thrives in moderate temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius. Protect it from frost and extreme heat. Propagation. Sharing the pink witch magic. Want to multiply your pink witch and gift its beauty to others? Propagation is a fun and rewarding process. Offsets. The pink witch readily produces offsets, or pups, around the base of the main rosette. Once these pups have developed a few sets of leaves and their own root system, you can carefully remove them and pot them individually in well-draining succulent mix. Leaf cuttings. Detach healthy leaves from the main rosette. Allow the cut end to callus over for a few days before planting it in a shallow pot with moistened succulent mix. Keep the soil slightly moist until new roots and growth emerge. Common Aeonium pink witch problems and solutions. Even with the best care, occasional issues might arise. Here are some common problems and how to address them. Stretched or leggy growth. This indicates insufficient light. Move your pink witch to a brighter location. Faded colors. Lack of sunlight can also lead to muted colors. Provide more light for vibrant hues. Leaves losing plumpness. This is a sign of underwatering. Mealybugs, or aphids. These sap-sucking insects can infest your succulent. Isolate the plant and treat it with insecticidal soap or neem oil solution. Fungal disease. Overwatering or poor drainage can lead to fungal issues. Avoid getting water on the leaves when watering, and ensure the pot has drainage holes. If the infection is severe, fungicide might be necessary. Conclusion: the Aeonium pink, which, a succulent worth the hype. The Aeonium pink, which is a captivating succulent that deserves a spot in your collection. Its stunning variegation, compact form, and relative ease of care make it a winner for both beginners and experienced plant enthusiasts. With proper care and a little love, your pink which will reward you with years of vibrant beauty.